Greeting dear children, we are doing factorization unit and we have completed how to take common, how to regroup the factors, and third method we have done by identities: a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, or a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Splitting the middle term method also we have discussed. Now we are on how to divide any expression, any polynomial with the other polynomial. First of all, we have to do polynomial division for monomials. Monomial means having single term. If numerator is also having one term and denominator is also having one term, then division needs to be done by taking HCF of the numerator and denominator and cancelling them, then we will get the answer. Let us discuss. See, 28x raised to power 4, 56x. You know, 28 1s the 28, 28 2s are 56. So numbers are cancelled here. Now what else is there? Because it is x raised to power 4 divided by x. So what will be the answer? 1 by 2. Same way, division sign, so powers will be subtracted. So 4 minus 1. So answer will be 1 by 2 x raised to power 3. You can simply think into mind कि x is in the denominator, 4 times x is in the numerator, 1x will be cancelled, so numerator will be here x to the power 3. So directly also you can do 1 by 2x cube or by this method. Now this is 36, this is 9. In the table of 9, 9 4s are 36. Here it is y cube, means y into y upon y into y 2 times. So 2 times y will be cancelled. So answer will be minus 4y, or you can think minus 4 y to the power 3, because it is in the division, so 3 minus 2. So minus 4, 3 minus 2 is 1. So both of the way answer will be minus 4y. Now 11 6 is 66. 6, p is in the numerator only, there is no p in the denominator, so p. X is q raised to power 2 here, q raised to power 1 in the denominator. So 1 time q is cancelled, so it will be q. R 3 times r to the power 3 is r into r divided by r square. So 2r will be cancelled, answer will be 6pqr. Next question in the same way. I think you have understood. So next question, just match your answer, do with me. Fourth part is 34 x raised to power 3, y raised to power 3, z raised to power 3 divided by 51 x y square z cube. 34 and 51 come in the table of 17. 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51. It is x raised to power 3 divided by x raised to power 1. So 2 by 3 x raised to power 1 will be minus from here. X raised to power 3 minus 1 is 2. Y to the power 3 upon y to the power 2. Only like terms are to be subtracted. Be careful. Y to the power 3, y raised to power 2, y raised to power 3 minus 2, that is y raised to power 1. And z cube are cancelled. So this will be the answer. And the fifth part here is 12 a to the power 8 b to the power 8 divided by minus 6 a to the power 6 b to the power 4. Minus sign will be here, and because we cannot write minus sign in the denominator, so I will write plus upon minus is minus 2 a to the power 8 divided by a to the power 6. Answer will be a to the power 8 minus 6, that is equal to a to the power 2. b to the power 8 divided by b to the power 4. So answer will be minus 2a square b to the power 4. Right? Now we are on question number 2. There is a little change now in question number 2. In all these questions there was monomial binomial. Now if we are having binomial upon monomial, means in the numerator there are more than one term, binomial or trinomial in the numerator and monomial in the denominator, then what we will do? We will make it separate. We will make the terms separate. See here, I am doing with one example. If it is written 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x. What is common in numerator? What can be taken out? Either take common or just make it separate, because 3x is in whole denominator. It can be written as 5x square by 3x minus 6x by 3x. So 5 and 3 do not cancel. X raised to power 2 divided by x. What will be the answer here? X. So it will be 5 by 3 x to the power 2 divided by x to the power 1 x minus 3 2s are 6 and x are cancelled minus 2. Alternatively, this can also be done in this way. We can do this equation in this way also. 5x square minus 6x by 3x. So what is common in the numerator? Both terms are having x. So taking x common in numerator, what will be there? X is common, so 5x minus 6 whole divided by 3x. So this cancel. So answer will be 5x minus 6 whole upon 3, and we can make it separate. 5x by 3 minus 6 by 3. Even then our answer is similar. So any of the two methods can be done to solve these equations. So let us do next part here. Second part, 3 y to the power 8 minus 4 y to the power 6 plus 5 y to the power 4 divided by y to the power 4. It is having y to the power 8, 6, 4. So what can be taken as common from the numerator? Numerator is having y to the power 4 common. So 3, because 4 powers are out. So what is left here? 3 y to the power 4 minus 4. Y to the power 4 is common. So what is left here? Y to the power 2. 4 and 2, 6. Plus y to the power 4 I have taken out. So only number 5 is left. Divided by y to the power 4. We will cancel and the answer will be 3 y to the power 4 minus 4 y square plus 5. Means taking common method which we have discussed earlier, that is sufficient to do the factorization here. Now let us do the next part. Third, in the third question, it seems to be little difficult, but it is very easy. 8x cube y square z square plus x square y cube. There is some pattern. Once only x is having more power, now y is having more power, now z is having 3 power. Divided by 4x square y square z square. So what we will do here? Because 8 is here, I can directly cancel it here. So 2 is outside the bracket. Now what is common in this? Whenever there is plus or minus sign, we can take common. In this, x square y square z square. X square y square z square is common from all the terms. So I am taking x square y square z square as common. So what is left here? Because x to the power 2, y to the power 2, z to the power 2 is common. So what is left here? Only x plus only y plus only z. out. So what is left here? Only number z. So upon में x square, y square, z square. So these terms will cancel and the answer is 2 into x plus y plus z. Got it? Now it is easy now. You can understand, you can do it. So it is in 2 form. So this is the answer. You need not to open and write 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Then it will not be a factor. Factor means there should be some product form. Bracket, plus or minus should be in bracket only. It should not be without bracket. So this is the answer. Now we are on which part? We are doing fourth part. Let us do fourth part here. X cube plus 2x square plus 3x divided by 2x. So what can be done here? What should I do? Either I may take it as common. What will be the common here? X will be common from all the terms. X square, because 1x has gone out. X square, 1x is out. So it will be having 1 power of x less 2x plus x is out. So plus 3 divided by 2x. So x will cancel with x. So answer will be x square plus 2x plus 3 whole divided by 2. So this is the number, or you can write it as 1/2 into this. Got it? So this is the division. So right now on the fifth part, this is the last part of this question. Fifth part. P cube q to the power 6 minus p to the power 6 q to the power 3 whole divided by p to the power 3 q to the power 3. This denominator is a hint. Take something common from the numerator. What is common? P to the power 3, here p to the power 6 means p to the power 3 is in both the terms in the numerator. So p to the power 3 common. Q to the power 6 is here, q to the power 3 is here. So I can take q to the power 3 common. Whenever we take common, we must apply the sign of bracket. Now what is left in this term? p cube, cube से इसको divide कर रहे हैं तो क्या बचा? q to the power 3 minus q to the power 3 तो चला गया, p to the power 6 को p to the power 3 से divide किया तो p to the power 3 divided by p cube q. So these two terms p cube से q cube से cancel हो गया. तो what is the answer? q cube minus p cube. Got it? So this is our answer. Now question number 3. I think now you are very much comfortable to do the division sums. Everybody is understanding how to do the division. Question number 3. Work out the division 10x minus 25 divided by 5. What can be taken common from the numerator? Both come in the table of 5. Taking 5 common from numerator. It is not compulsory to write. You can think in your mind also from numerator. But please put the bracket whenever you take something common. So here I have taken 5 as common. So 2x minus 5 divided by 5. So what will be the answer? Answer is 2x minus 5. Got it? Now second part. 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. So if I am taking from the numerator, in the denominator there is nothing common. From the numerator again I am taking 5 as common. 5 into 5 2s are 10, 2x minus 5 5s are 25. I have told you in my previous videos, taking common means dividing by that term the whole expression. So 2x minus 5. This is something very important. Now please take care. This is same bracket, this is same bracket in the numerator and denominator. Whole of the bracket will cancel. You cannot cut 2x with 2x minus 5 with minus 5. No. Whole of the 2x minus 5 will cancel with 2x minus 5. If there were 2x plus 5 upon 2x minus 5, you cannot cancel this way. This is wrong. We cannot cancel. Okay, cancellation is only done if whole of the term here 2x plus 5 upon 2x plus 5. This whole will cancel, or 2x minus 5 divided by 2x minus 5. So this will cancel. Here 2x minus 5 is cancelled. So answer is only number 5. Got it? You have understood this? So this is the important thing you should know. Now third part. Question number 3, third part. 10y into 6y plus 21 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. So what is this? 5 is cancelling this. Now 2y, is there anything common in these two terms? Yes, both come in the table of 3. So taking 3 common from this, 2y into 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. If I am cancelling with 3 7s are 21. Bracket is must when I have taken common, and in the denominator there is 2y plus 7 itself. So this whole bracket and this whole bracket will be cancelled. 3 2s are 6y. So answer will be 6y. Have you got this? So let us do now. I am not doing now all the parts. I will be doing only fifth part. I am doing fifth part. Fourth part I am leaving for you. Fifth part. 96 ABC 3a minus 12 5b minus 30. This whole is to be divided by 144 a minus 4 b minus 6. So it looks to be little difficult. How much numbers are there? Now there are 3 factors. Here are also 3 factors, but only I can see here 12 is the 96 and 12 is the 4 2s are 4 3s are. So this is simplified. Numbers are simplified to 2 by 3. It is A, B, C. Now in this is one bracket. In this bracket is there anything common? Yes, both numbers come in the table of 3. So taking 3 common from this bracket, what will be there? Divide this by 3, answer will be A minus 4. In this bracket, we can take something common from this bracket also. Both are in the table of 5. So taking 5 common, 5 into B, 5b minus, in the table of 5, 30 comes at 6. See, b minus 6 whole upon b. This number 3, a minus 4, b minus 6. Now something similar is visible. This a minus 4, this b minus 6. I am repeating, whole of the brackets can be cancelled. Numbers individually are not cancelled. So take care. The answer is this 3, 2 by 3 a, b, c into 3. So this 3 and 3 are also cancelled. So answer is 2 a, b, c. Have you got? Answer is 2 a, b, c. So by this question 3 is completed. We will be discussing question number 4 and 5 very soon. So keep watching, keep learning and keep enjoying mathematics. Stay fit, stay healthy, and enjoy mathematics. God bless you all.